Anyway, the charge, it was a felony charge. Them charged me because me discharged my firearm. And anyway, when I went court, they dropped it to a misdemeanor at the time. Because the lady was pressed charge against me. She went to court and, no, not the court, she went to the police station to drop the charges them against me. But at this time, she dropping the charge against me, the state pick up the charge still. So even if she go down and say, well then boy, me no want this, me no want that, the state pick it up. So the state pick it up now and decide for try me and charge me for the crime.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you not feel no pain, that is very good. But if you feel any pain at all, remember to call the doctor, check the doctor, or make the doctor come check you if you have the money. If you don't, just make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, have you done any wellness check yet? If you haven't done any wellness check yet, please, I'm asking you to do some wellness check on your fella Jamaicans or any which part of the world. Do some wellness check on each and every one of your friends, family, all your enemy too. Yes. Now, guys, I want to say thank you very much for talk to me. Thank you very much for comment on the video them. Thank you very much for talk about the video them. Thank you very much for open my brains to many things. Thank you very much for the phone calls. Thank you very much to be a part of Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Remember, I am the maintenance manager of Rodney's Lifestyle. You guys are the owner of the channel. My viewers and subscribers, I want to say a big respect to Alicia Kim and what you're doing to help your Jamaican brothers and sisters. I want to say thank you very much to even thinking about the mothers that you can get some diapers and send to Jamaica. Also, I want to say to Color Smith, big up yourself, you. Enough respect for all we wanna do. All of the man them down there. I have a different videos coming for that. But you know what, my viewers and subscribers, let me go back to Alicia Kim. Alicia, how you doing over there? I see you do your thing. Alicia Kim, let me say something to you. You see, my son, when me have, at 35 years old, just like you. And my viewers and subscribers, I like how Alicia Kim presenting herself. No matter what happened, she's keep climbing. And remember, my viewers and subscribers, if you don't subscribe to Alicia Kim, go over there. Put her up to 150,000 subscribers. Go on the road, go eat food, lady. Alicia Kim, me respect you. Yeah, man, me respect you. Me care about you and your family and thing. Because guess what? I never have no sister and I have 3 daughters. So sometimes when people hear me talk and hear me ask question, like when I ask Mr. Idiot, do you have a daughter? And Mr. Idiot gets swell-headed. Oh, not Mr. Idiot. Mr. Clive Lawrence, a.k.a. Vibe Studio. No worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Mr. a.k.a. Taxi Driver Montego Bay. Yes, Clive Lawrence. Yes, yeah. Okay, no problem. Anyway, When I said to a person about, do you have a daughter? And a person is going to get up in their feelings about, about talking about the daughter. You have to remember that when you have a kid, when you have a daughter, and you're going to bash another person's daughter, remember, the same thing will come back to you. And you have to remember, would you like for a man or for somebody to be chastising, to be talking about your daughter like that? And I am not talking only Mr. Clive Lawrence. I'm talking to Essay. I'm talking to this lady who named, what's her name? I can't remember her name. Kim? I believe that she was a friend of Chrissy. You remember that same lady who was on their side, who was all about them, and until all of a sudden she switched? Yeah, I can't remember her name, because she over there call up my name like she think her harm me where she did inner, or where she inner. Me afraid of people, me not afraid of nobody. Learn that. So when you check it out, some of you all have kids. You all have kids. Would you like for somebody to be talking about your kid like how you all chastising Alicia Kim? She didn't do you all nothing. She didn't do you all nothing. Nothing she didn't do to you. And then you, Mr. Clive Lawrence, I not ready for you yet, you know? Because this video is not about the none of who. Me just want to put that piece in it. This video is about Boo lifestyle. All of you from Vibes with Rosa, Lady Kish, call Lady Kish, hey, Lady Kish, that Janko story hit you like a ball, brother. Then say you true. Then say if you live in a glass house, just throw a stone, and then say if you're in the pen and the rock come over there and hit you, if you squeal like you're one of them fly away. Janko say now work on Sunday, now work on a Sunday. Think that I'm lying. Throw the stone over Lady Kish way, and you will get what is this? Anyway, make we get on to the serious business. Ram, you come here to you know. So all I know, we're over there. All I want to Boo disciples. I'm going to call on Boo disciples. From Lady Kish to Ram to what I want to name her? Vibes with Rosa. What the next one name? Clive Lawrence, aka Vibes. I four of them. I saw. There are no more? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if there are no more. So, how comes when you go right around Boo domestic violence? How you go right around it? How you not talk about it? So as soon as Boo come into the United States, he come into the United States 1983. How you go right around the domestic violence where he fire a firearm? How comes you go right around it? And Boo, let me say something to you. You act like everything was cook and curry. Yeah? You act like everything was okay. But there is something else. Also, Boo, how did you reach in America? Who did you con to reach in America? Didn't you con a woman to reach in America? Was it Jacqueline? And I can't remember if it was Jacqueline. You have an idea what me I said, don't, Bo? Me fix my glasses. Oh, allegedly it could be Jacqueline. Yeah, let me use up me allegedly. My viewers and subscribers. Boo. So, what did you do before you came to America? You come to America 1983. But you did something before you come to America. Boo, let me say something to you. There is so much people in this world that have so much things that happen to them and they say nothing about it. There's so much people out there sitting down. There's so much women out there sitting down, crying days and weeks and months for things that men like you have done to them. And they don't have a voice. They don't have a voice. But as soon as you divorce Alicia Kim, all of a sudden you have a voice where Rumram was your voice. But Rumram, didn't you know that Boo isn't who you really think he is? You didn't know that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, 1980. Boo, come here, man. Come. And for this one, I am going to use allegedly for this one. I don't have to. Mark, I do not have to say nothing about allegedly, but I am going to say allegedly. My viewers and subscribers, let me say this to each and every one of you out there. Thank you very much to listen to me. Thank you very much to believe in me, because I am not going to tell you any lies. I am going to be truthful. I am going to tell you exactly what I am saying to you. I will not use any dates. I will not use any time. This video is just to open your eyes. Then the next video that I'm coming with anything towards what I'm saying in this video, will be presenting every single thing to you. Now, Boo Lifestyle, Boo is back, aka Mr. Mac. 1980. 1980, Boo, you was how old 1980? "45 years ago, Boo, what did you do?" My viewers and subscribers, 45 years ago, allegedly, Boo take what wasn't given to him. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Let me say it again. 45 years ago, 1980, Boo was in Jamaica. And he took somebody innocent, allegedly. Boo. Allegedly, out of that, what was given to you, that you took away, there comes a kid, allegedly. So you have a kid out there. I won't say if it's a boy or a girl either. So you have a kid out there, 45 years old, that you don't even care about, talk about. Yes, I know you all go say, how comes she never reported it, or how comes nobody know nothing about it, but you know, 45 years ago, 1980, you know, nobody report nothing. Nobody talk about nothing. And remember, Boo lives in Kingston 7. Boo live in Kingston. As a matter of fact, I got to leave it just as I said, allegedly. Yeah? Allegedly, you did not even pay that little person any mind, much less the person who you took what wasn't given to you. You think me they done? You think me they done? Me just a come. Boo! Hat me get in arter. Hat me coming in arter. Hat me coming in, hat me comfy. Boo, you think me done with you? Remember me tell us I'm not done with you, you know? Remember me, they tell you that. But, boo, allegedly you grip this individual. Allegedly you grip this individual. And this individual comes up pregnant, allegedly. And you did not look at this person to help this person to do nothing. This individual didn't want to, didn't know, didn't shame like a dog, and did not want to report anything, because we all know back in those days, somebody grip you, nobody will tell you. Do not tell nobody, because nobody want to laugh at you. That's just what it is, allegedly. And yet still you come out and going like you are done. And then when you come in at the United States, by the way, hold on. When you take advantage of another woman to come into the United States of America, I'm going to say allegedly too. And then when you come into America with that individual, what did you do? Take another disadvantage of that individual and go about your business. Run off. That's why you almost get in trouble. That's why you almost get deported. Until you get your paperwork. And then what did you do? Domestic violence with a firearm this time. I mean, I say not alleged because it's not alleged. You did have the firearm and you did bust it over the woman's head. And them boy come talk about like Boo a angel. Boo are not angel. Alicia Kim are not angel. Me are not angel. None of we are not angel. None of we upon this earth is angel. But you know have Boo, I'll make him feel like him an angel. Boo is no angel. Boo are not nobody. Boo is a scammer. Boo is a scammer, a user, a pretender. Let me tell us this. Allegedly, Boo was even older than the individual. So it's not no Boo a try to take set from people that is not his age. It's not no Boo a try to take set from people that is not his age. 1980. You know 1980 down a town there. Vicious here, dangerous here down a town. You know how down, you know how down this around 1980. You take anything. Even when it's not given to you. Boo was one of that man. Boo was one of that person, allegedly. Boo was that kind of person. So when you see Boo out there, I act like he's such a holy and solely and all this and all that. Boo isn't all that. Boo, where they? Boo, allegedly you grip that lady, 1980. 1980 to now, 45 years, no? Yeah? Yeah, 45 years, yeah? Yeah, okay. So that means you have a kid out there that is 44 years old. Have you looked at that kid? Well, allegedly you have a kid out there that you grape the mama. Have you ever looked back within yourself and asked yourself, why did you do it? Have you ever looked back within yourself and asked yourself, why did you do it? No, you never look back in your dirty self. And then you have man, boy, like Rum Ram. Woman, like Lady Keish. Vibes with Rosa. Ambitious Jackie. And that little piece of, I don't know, liar. You know what you say? People may come around with all of the lie they want to tell. Because remember, you little dirty vibes. Remember you tell me, say you want to be like me now. On your own life. Remember, you tell me, as a matter of fact, OMG, big up your too much, mama. Because you don't know, manners and respect OMG. But remember, vibes, this is not OMG. Remember that. You remember that. Me, I am not OMG. You go talk and talk. As a matter of fact, you go tell lie till you're weak. Over there. You go tell lie till you're weak. And you see the people them over your stage. They don't got no sense. The whole of them, they don't got no sense. They said they this, did that. They don't got no sense. You know, I run up and down back a man, you know, stop disgrace. Women. And you know, a woman too. How you feel when you hear vibes that talk about how the woman them over Holland, over now here, easy? How you feel? How you feel you know, when you talk about how the girl them give him head? How you feel as a woman representing a man who is downgrading woman? How you feel over there? Would you all like, how you all going to feel to know that your kid is going to grow up listening to those things that you all are talking about Alicia Kim over there? How you all feel? So, me never too talk about that because me have a whole video for you know over there. So you can't go on. Continue talk over there because you think me afraid of you, me not afraid of none of you. Not one of you, me not afraid of. Because remember me tell her, you see the back here? Oh, hold on. You know what? Me not talk about the back, brother, because remember, me not talk about the back, brother business there because remember, one man did say, as a matter of fact, no one man. Remember, Rum Ram, the chucker, broke back, did say how him back broad and him body tight and him can take joke. Remember him says, so me now going at that kind of back broad business. Me go left that alone. Me go only thing me go say, no can't me no. Sue till you no want. Because remember, one of the wickedest Sue is turn back Sue. You don't know what that mean? Okay. Anyway, so you hear what me say? You hear what me say? What is this? So allegedly Boo grip a young lady back in the 80s, 1980. Out of that gripping, allegedly, there comes a young person. A body come out of it. The individual allegedly did not report it because you don't know what happened in Jamaica 1980. Because, you know, you report, you talk about it, you know what will happen. We all know that. You have to keep your mouth shut. So, all along, Boo been take disadvantage of women for years. Boo been take disadvantage of women from a very long time. And when him buck up in a roadblock, aka Alicia Kim, the Capricorn, the person that born January, that stand up to him and turn him in a fool, turn him in an idiot. That's the individual him want to make look bad. But enough respect to the big up crew who stand by Alicia Kim, who fight with Alicia Kim and make him know, go sit down, boy. Boo, you said something the other day about your business, yeah? And to be honest with you, me not going to talk about your business because me not still like the rest of them. We're going to try to mash up your business. Because me see your business register, you know? Yeah, man, me see your business register and you are the owner. Me see it, man. Me see it. Yeah, man, me see your business register and me even see much more. You know what? And I go say nothing. I go left it at that. But I go left it for another day. Right now we are talking about the allegation. Allegedly, you grip that young lady in the 80s, 1980, and bring forth a individual. I mean, need you to come talk about that. Because everything me say, me see you go around it, you know. You know, address nothing when me say. Because you go as far as I talk about, oh, your sister house a for you. Lie. Lie. You are tell about your sister house a for you. Your sister house a for you. Your sister house a for you. Stop tell lie. Listen to what Alicia Kim say. Alicia Kim say, there's a lot of things she could say, but she not say. Because Alicia Kim a hold back a lot of things where you do to her. Big up yourself, Alicia Kim. Chris, even though me knock you, when you get mad pan content creator, because once you get mad pan content creator, you get mad pan me too. So me knock you, but you don't know how you go. Hot out here. Big up yourself, yo. Go and do what you do. Because of one thing about me. Me not afraid to tell nobody what me do. And hold on a little bit. This, me have to say this, you see. The other day, Alicia Kim have a live, and a few people was telling her that I was bashing her. And she should be careful of me. Let me talk to all of you. I'm 53 years old. And I can talk anything out of my mouth that I want to talk out of my mouth. And if I say something that is not right, I am a man to stand up and say, yes, I did it. So when you're going to go over Alicia Kim page and say, oh, to be aware of me, be careful of me, you are the person they should be careful of. Because guess what? I have done my homework. When I get that report, someone said they wanted me to come on their side. So they sent me 2 things and said, this is what she did. And if I wasn't smart enough, I wouldn't take a step back and says, hold on a little bit. How can you be on a bed with a man, FaceTiming another man? That doesn't sound right. And that's when I did my homework. That's when I started did my homework. So stop go around and because you know you're Alicia Kim a big me up on try for cause problem. Stop doing that. Because not one of you can get me to talk nothing bad of Alicia Kim. Go on, me girl. Me and you are Capricorn. We know what we go through with people. We help people. We take care of people. We look out for people. And when they do, turn around and stab in our back. I don't know. We as Capricorn are go through that. So you can't stay out there. Talk. Talk. Keep them talking. We got a lot more coming. Make them pass them dirty remarks, cause who God bless, I mean say no man curse. Allegedly boo grape a girl in the 1980s in Jamaica. Bring forth allegedly a person. What is this? What is this? This man is wicked. This man have nothing good to do when it come on to women. This guy been robbing, cheating, scamming women for over 45 years. Alicia Kim, if you knew, say boo did grape one girl, you wouldn't deal with the worthless boy, cause the boy a graper. Alicia, you dep on your own now, and you fine and you new man. Hey, hold on a little bit. Before me go. Una hear Lady Keys I tell Alicia Kim say, the drunk I must be the one where she a wake up and a hug up and a squeeze up. Me say, hey, hold on. Where Lady Keys there? Where Lady Keys? I'm mad out. Hold on, man. Lady Kish, listen ya. Stupid. Yes. Dunce. Lady Kish, I'm mad. Lady Kish, I'm mad out. Move out how we. Drunk coming in. Move up, Lady Kish. Go away. Go sit down. Them say you can't take blow, not throw blow. And that you have to throw blow. Now people hit you. Because as a matter of fact, this lady never called nobody name. Because this woman say, them want drunk if you go down at the place, go eat up with people and carcass. What a wicked woman. And the people see it and run with it. And all of a sudden, you take it up. And I talk about how you talk about her. So that means I must use she attack. She never call her name. My viewers are subscribed, but that's for one next video. Because the one lady Kish, I don't know what. I over OMG page because see it. Hey! Me say the lady Kish move out and we are mad to maddy. Oh, Lady Kish, you are mad out. Mad, you are mad out. Lady Kish, you are mad out. Hey, by the way, hold on. Where's she there? Ambitious Jackie. Oh, me look. Hold on. In Ambitious Jackie. Oh, me look. My personal hygiene look better. Ari look good. Ari no look good. Ari look the same. What? Ambitious Jackie. Let me tell you something. Go and go plant them pumpkin. Because remember me tell you my mother want one of them pumpkin. Go and go plant them pumpkin. Oh yeah. People. Them say me sleeping in my car. I'm going to sleep like Chuck tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Allegedly. Boo gripped this woman. Boo, come we talk about that. Come we talk about that. Because apparently, you do some holy heap of something. From in the 80s. Allegedly, you're not a player. But let me tell you something. Me need your friend Room Ram. No, your attorney, Room Ram. Oh, hold on. Room Ram! I have a question to ask you. You and J Progress hour. Hey! Move out my way. Me and mad to my day. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers. You alright? Somebody call me. Me go answer. Later on. Bye-bye.